Hey guys, my name is Lazar, and this is another episode about Cartown Adventures. Today I'll finish Hobbs' adventure, and we'll get this nice Navi star. So let's go and get it. I need just few more, and yes, we got Hobbs' Navi star, and I really like this car. It's nice. Okay. Okay, let's play minigame. Thank you very much, Cartown. I won't get GTR, but okay. Let's try one time, because I need fuel to complete leaderboard. Okay, avoid. This is so boring. I played this too many times and I didn't get GTR, so I won't play it anymore. And let's do a review of Navistar. So I'll put it on my 4th floor, next to the Giselle's bike. Okay, so let's put all cars I got so far from Fast and Furious Adventure here. I really enjoyed in Hobbs Adventure because it has great prize, and it was really funny to complete it. So yes, here's Navistar. Okay, let me just remove this tunnel. So walls and floor tiles and garage items. Okay, and yes. Wow, what is this lag? Cartown is lagging too much. Anyway, this is my channel where I'm posting videos. It's Lazar Stanojevic. That's my name and surname. So subscribe. Help me to reach 10 subscribers first, and on 50 subscribers there will be a special video just for you, but help me to reach that nice number and you'll see a surprise. So let's put all items you can get from Hobbs Adventure. Just a minute. Okay, this is a military tank. I'll put it right here. Antonov 2, just to rotate it. This is some desk, and these two. And I think this is from Hobbs. Yes, this is too from Hobbs Adventure, and these prizes are really nice. So I really like this plane and tank, and I'll do a review of Navistar. So yeah, it sells for 2000. It will give you 200,000 on GB value. So that's not bad. So it's not customizable. It's not that fast. Only 305 horsepower, and that is not so good. But this is off-road vehicle for battle, not for speed. So it's okay. You can't add anything except performance upgrades, which is obvious, and you can't even put neons. So yeah, let me just pick up these jobs, and to continue. So guys, I really need some help. Oh man, are you fucking kidding me? I just spent 6 blue coins on belts. Why the fuck is this lag? Oh my gosh, I hate this game. Oh my... Are you fucking kidding me? Oh. Come on! It's lagging as shit. Wow, fuck yeah. I reached 68 level, which is nice. So, guys, help me to add me on Facebook. I'll put in description my link of mine Facebook. So add me and help me with some parts. I'll send you too if you need something. And that would be everything for this episode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment. See ya.